Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, I will teach you on how to display a date together with a string in Bash or Born Against Shell. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. So we have 3 lines of code, no, but actually the real code is this line only. So we have here echo -e formatting new line here, and then echo today is dollar open and close parenthesis date. Date is a function in Linux, in Unix, to display the current date. And then again echo -e new line for formatting. Let us save in our nano text editor, test underscore date, close. So we issue a command bash test underscore date, press enter key. We have here today is Sunday, September 15, 12 noon 2024. That's it guys, very simple. Let us go with the editor. Echo today is dollar open and close parenthesis date. That's it guys. Thank you so much for watching and listening to my video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.